Well, my dear students, today I am going to discuss land degradation and land conservation measures. Land is a prime resource because we derive our food, fabric, fodder and shelter from it. We construct infrastructure on the land. We set up industries on it. We develop township on it. And so land is very important or prime resource. But in recent years, the percentage of degraded land is increasing. In India, 130 million hectare land is now degraded due to several factors. The factors are, first of all, is deforestation. Massive cut of trees and plants for procuring or obtaining land for agriculture, for township, for industrial setup, for infrastructural facilities, for mining, is rendering land degraded. So, cutting of trees should be stopped. India's about 28% land is forest degraded land. The second factor is over irrigation. In some parts of India, due to canal irrigation, water logging and over irrigation is creating salinity and alkalinity in the land or soil, rendering it degraded. India's 56% degraded land belongs to it. Third is mining. In this industrial world, minerals play a dominant role, and so we are vying with one another to extract more and more minerals. And after excavation of minerals, land is denuded, scars and dips remain unplugged, and this renders land degraded. Next factor is overgrazing. As you know, India has the largest number of cattle in the world, but only 4% pasture land, only 4% pasture land. So Indian animals overgraze on the same plot of land again and again, rendering it degraded. It should be stopped. The next is disposal of wastage. Untreated civic or industrial effluents or wastage is disposed of on the land, rendering it degraded. So these are the factors which are responsible for land degradation. First is deforestation, second is over irrigation, third is mining, fourth is overgrazing by animals, and fifth is disposal of effluents or wastage on the land. Now, there are several factors which are responsible for land conservation. Land should be conserved for our own benefit. If we will do not do any appropriate step to conserve land, then mankind will face peril. So for conservation methods, first is afforestation. Massive afforestation should be done. Van Mahotsava should be celebrated. More and more plants and trees should be planted on the land, and that will conserve land, because trees and plants bind land and soil and checks its degradation. Second, sprinkler and drip irrigation. Modern methods of irrigation like sprinkler and drip irrigation should be encouraged in place of canal irrigation. This irrigation will conserve land. This type of irrigation is practiced in some parts of India to conserve land. The third is check on overgrazing. There should be a ban on overgrazing by animals on the land. For this, stall feeding of cattle should be encouraged. Cattle should be fed on agricultural waste, sap and grains, and some fodder crops should be raised on the plot of land, and that will encourage conservation of land. Next factor is plugging of mines. After the excavation of minerals, the dips and scars on the land created by mining should be plugged by sand or soil so that land should be conserved. And the last factor is discourage disposal of wastage. Wastage either from civic or industrial should be first treated and then only disposed of on the land, and so these factors should be encouraged for land conservation. Thank you.